Real estate investment trusts, or REITs, are a great way to invest in the real estate sector while diversifying your options. Real estate investments can be an excellent way to earn returns, generate cash flow, hedge against inflation, and diversify an investment portfolio. But buying physical properties can be costly, difficult, and risky for an individual. Instead, investors can buy shares of diversified real estate investment trusts, or REITs. REITs are public companies that own large portfolios of real estate, and many of them also pay sizable dividends. There are many different types of REITs, providing investors access to residential, commercial, and specialty real estate. Here are 9 of the best REITs to buy in 2024. Number 1. Welltower Inc. Ticker WELL. Welltower is a healthcare REIT that invests in healthcare facilities, including senior housing, specialty care facilities, and medical office buildings. The REIT is up 2.7%, including dividends this year through April 1st, the best performance of any stock on this list. Analysts says Welltower is a top U.S. healthcare REIT and should continue to benefit from the Affordable Care Act. The population of 80 and older Americans will nearly double as the baby boomers continue to age, creating industry tailwinds in the next decade. Number 2. Realty Income Corp. Ticker O. Realty Income is a retail REIT that owns, develops, and manages U.S. retail real estate with a focus on single-tenant buildings. It is the largest triple-net REIT in the U.S., meaning tenants pay real estate taxes, maintenance, and building insurance. Realty Income has a 5.8% dividend yield and makes monthly dividend payments, a very nice dividend paid often. Realty Income's retail tenants are focused in defensive segments, businesses that are recession-resistant and insulated from getting put out of business from online markets like Amazon. Number 3. Crown Castle Inc. Ticker CCI. Crown Castle is a specialty REIT that owns and operates cell towers. Crown Castle has a 5.9% dividend, a good yield and the highest of any stock on this list. Negative headlines plagued Crown Castle in 2023. Some say the headlines were mostly overblown, and the company's tower leasing business remains strong. Some people are optimistic that the company's new CEO has Crown Castle moving in the right direction. The company's fiber business has already improved dramatically, and Crown Castle has a healthy amount of liquidity. Do your own research and decide for yourself about the negative headlines and change of CEO. Number 4. Extra Space Storage Inc. Ticker EXR. Extra Space Storage is one of the largest publicly traded self-storage REITs. Extra Space's insurance business is extremely profitable, and its third-party management business is also strong, allowing the company to increase and expand its scale and geographical footprint with minimal capital investment. The company's strategy of investing in densely populated, high-income urban areas is a sound business model. Self-storage has historically been a recession-resistant defensive industry that could serve investors well in an unpredictable market. Number 5. Avalon Bay Communities Inc. Ticker AVB. Avalon Bay Communities is a multi-family residential REIT that specializes in upscale apartment communities. Avalon Bay's properties are concentrated in attractive markets that are experiencing income growth, job growth, and falling home ownership rates. These characteristics, coupled with a high relative cost of single-family housing and an influx of young professionals, support strong apartment demand. Avalon Bay has a sound strategy of regularly selling off non-core assets and using proceeds for acquisitions or development projects. According to the financials, the REIT has significant value in development as well. Number 6. Equity Residential Properties Trust. Ticker EQR. Equity Residential is a multifamily residential REIT that owns and operates a diversified portfolio of apartment properties. Equity Residential has a history of opportunistic asset sales and acquisitions. Equity has restructured its portfolio to focus primarily on owning and operating high-quality multifamily buildings in coastal, urban markets that have favorable demographic trends, strong rent growth opportunities, and high occupancy rates. This restructuring strategy has involved divesting inland properties and expanding into high-growth core markets, such as Los Angeles, San Diego, San Francisco, Washington, D.C., New York, Boston, and Seattle. Number 7. SBA Communications Corp., ticker SBAC. SBA Communications is a specialized REIT that owns and operates a global wireless communications tower network. The stock is down 15.3% this year, the worst performance of any stock on this list. SBA has put together solid numbers despite headwinds from a pullback in carrier spending. Expiring Sprint contracts will continue to slow growth numbers in coming years, but SBA's new deal with Brazilian telecom Vivo is a win. SBA's tower business is extremely valuable as data use continues to grow indefinitely, which is the reason SBA is on this list even after being down over 15%. Maybe a good time to buy low as their data towers become more valuable in the future. Number 8. Ventas Inc., ticker VTR. Ventas is a healthcare REIT that specializes in healthcare facilities, including specialty care facilities, housing for seniors, medical office buildings, and hospitals. Ventas has a top-tier asset portfolio that is highly exposed to top operators in attractive markets, including medical office buildings, senior housing, hospitals, and life sciences. In addition, partnerships with Ardent Health Services and Wexford Science and Technology could help Ventas unlock future value in healthcare delivery, and Ventas should benefit from a spike in demand for senior housing for the aging baby boomers in coming years. As always, be sure to do your own research and evaluate all risks involved before making any investment decisions. If you find value in the video, please smash that like button. Subscribe to Investigating Investment TV. That way you get notified when the next video drops. Financial freedom can be yours.